Good afternoon. Today is June 9th, 2010, and this is HurricaneCities.com with an update on your tropical weather. The Atlantic Basin as a whole is pretty quiet this afternoon. A tropical wave currently near 50 west longitude is forecast to start affecting Barbados for much of the day today with thunderstorms and gusty winds. These thunderstorms and gusty winds will spread westward across the Windward Islands this afternoon. This increase in moisture may then continue much of the rest of the week across the Barbados and Windward Islands. One thing to note in the model guidance is that this particular tropical wave, one in particular located at 50 west longitude, is that the NAM model is forecasting development into a tropical cyclone by the time it reaches the Central Caribbean on Friday evening. Also, the GFS model is forecasting a tropical wave strengthens some of the next few days, and then it develops into a tropical cyclone. Finally, the NOGAPS model is forecasting that this tropical wave may try to develop into the Western Caribbean early next week. It needs to be noted that the NAM model is poorer in forecasting tropical development, and that the NOGAPS model has been developing ghost storms for the last few weeks now. So I'm skeptical on the tropical development over the next few days. On the other hand, however, environmental conditions are forecast to become favorable over the next few days in the Caribbean, especially at 75 west longitude. So the model guidance may be onto something, and it's something to keep a close eye on this weekend and into next week. Even if this particular tropical wave does not develop, which is a good possibility, there is even a stronger tropical wave that is now currently off the coast of Africa, which needs to be monitored very closely as it goes into the Atlantic. The whole tropical wave train is slowly now drifting northward for the month and into the early part of July. So we're expecting that things will begin to cook pretty quickly as we move into this tropical season. The tropical weather discussion that will be issued next will be on Friday morning. So join us here at HurricaneCities.com for the latest of your tropics. Again, this is Lewis reporting from HurricaneCities.com, and have a wonderful afternoon.